Assalamu alaikum viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. When we think of mammals, we often imagine larger animals like cat, dogs or even humans. However, the world of mammals is full of surprises, especially when it comes to size. Some of the smallest mammals in the world are so tiny they can fit in the palm of your hands, and they have adapted to survive in unique environments. Let's take a look at some of the smallest mammals on the planet, showcasing just how diverse and fascinating the animal kingdoms can be. So let's start with the bumblebee bat, often considered the smallest mammal by length. The bumblebee bat measures about 1 to 1.3 inches and weighs around 2 grams. Native to Thailand and Myanmar, it's known for its tiny wingspan and bat-like appearance. Number 2. Etruscan shrew, weighing only about 1.2 to 2.7 grams. The Etruscan shrew holds the title of the lightest mammal. Despite its size, it has an incredibly high metabolism, eating more than its body weight daily. Number 3. Pygmy jerboa. This tiny rodent found in the deserts of Asia measures only 1.5 to 2 inches long, not counting its long tail. Known for its jumping abilities, it's one of the smallest rodent species in the world. Number 4th one is Pygmy mouse lemur, found in Madagascar. This primate weighs about 30 grams and it's around 2.25 to 4.5 inches long. Its large, wide eyes and small body make it one of the most adorable tiny mammals. Number 5th, American shrew mole, one of the smallest mole species. This tiny mammal measures about 2 to 4 inches long and weighs just a few grams. It spends most of its time burrowing underground. Now, we will discuss some of the tiniest bird species in the world. Number 1. Hummingbee. The bee hummingbird, native to Cuba, is the world's smallest bird. It measures just about 2.0 to 2.4 inches in length and weighs less than 2 grams. Despite its tiny size, it can flap its wing up to 80 times per second. Number 2. Weevil, found in Australia. The weevil is the smallest bird in Australia, measuring about 3 to 3.5 inches in length. It gets its name from its tiny short beak and is known for its quick, high-pitched call. Number 3. Goldcrest. The goldcrest is Europe's smallest bird, growing to about 3.3 to 3.7 inches long. Its tiny size and distinctive gold stripe on its head make it a unique and easily recognizable bird in woodlands across Europe. Number 4. Pardalote, native to Australia. Pardalotes are small, colorful birds that range in size from about 3.1 to 4.7 inches. Their small size and bright plumage make them stand out, despite their rarity in some areas. Number 5. Verdin, found in the southwestern United States and Mexico. The verdin is a tiny bird measuring about 4.5 inches in length. It is recognized by its yellow head and small, compact body. Number 6. Spotted pardalote. The colorful bird, found in Australia, measures about 3.1 to 3.9 inches in length. It is known for its striking spotted plumage and is often seen foraging in the canopies of eucalyptus trees. Number 7. Costa hummingbird, native to the southwestern United States and parts of Mexico. The Costa's hummingbird measures around 3 to 3.5 inches in length. Its iridescent purple plumage and compact body make it a beautiful sight in desert habitat. These miniature mammals and birds remind us that nature works in fascinating ways with species of all shapes and sizes, adapting to their environments. Despite their small stature, these creatures are just as complex and vital to ecosystems as their larger counterparts. Next time you think of mammals and birds, remember that some of the most interesting ones can be among the tiniest.